These pins at the front are pretty rusted on, so I tried a hammer. That didn't really work. I think I got it figured out, so let's see if we can get them taken off. I'm going to use a hammer and a hammer and a screwdriver, maybe even a pry bar. Oops. Put those back on. Oh, well, that broke, so let's see what happens. Alright, we got this pin out. Try the other side. Alright, this one came out a lot easier. Didn't even have to break that one, but it's still garbage. These are the pins that I was trying to take out of the front. Just typical clip pins. One side broke, one side didn't. I'm going to replace them all anyway, so it doesn't matter, they're just garbage. Sometimes you just got to get aggressive. It's all being repaired anyways. There we go. Now we're down to just a flat deck. Get a little bit better look as to what it's going to look like. I don't know that it's any worse than I thought it was going to be, so next is I'll probably get it back into the shop, pull the wheels off, pull the boards off. Tore down, sides are off, decking's off, except for the metal part because it's attached. So we'll sand it where it's needed, throw some rust paint on it, and we'll get started. Alright, let's grind.